Another year, another gift guide series. I feel like this is like the longest lasting series on the channel. I've done them for like 6-7 years. I think they're fan favorites. It means it's the end of the year. We'll start off with gifts, or I guess tech gifts under that $25 mark. And just like I've done every single year, giveaway time, it's just that time for me to give back, saying thanks for watching my face, thanks for watching any of these episodes. So just make sure you leave a comment down below. I'll try to connect with you like on social, so if you follow like on IG, X, one of the more like verified ones. I know that YouTube is dealing with a lot of spam. I'll get one of these items out, and if you follow along, I'll have gift guide episodes under 25, 50, 100. I believe like I have a 250, and then like the finale, the baller edition. I actually am collabing with a couple different brands this year to just give more back. So just sub, all that good stuff. Let's hop into the first item, which has also been on the channel for many years. They're just D-brand skins. It's really hard to find tech items under that $25 mark, but this is definitely one. So this is their new circuit skin. Obviously orange is my favorite color. They happen to have it, so I think this looks pretty dope. They've got skins in so many different colorways, so many unique different options, and they have skins pretty much across any smartphone or any device actually that you have tech related. They're essentially a glorified sticker that you just kind of peel off and stick on the back of your phone to give it some protection, but I think just to make it a bit more unique. Their circuit skins come in other colors as well. This one actually glows in the dark, but they also have cases if you want to keep your phone or device a bit more protected, and you can still put like a customized skin on the back of their bumper case, which I think is super dope. What I actually love about D-brand, they're also Canadian, also from Toronto. I know the head robot there. So make sure you check them out under $25 to make your device just a bit more unique. Always a great first item. So second item, really in that like case slash accessory game to keep it under 25 bucks. So these are great like stocking stuffers. So this one caught my eye. Like I said, I'm a big orange fan. Also, obviously like big like Apple user. These are the Spigen like iMac cases. These are throwbacks to when I believe like they were the iMac G4 or the G5. I had one of these orange iMacs growing up. The code name was like Tangerine. They've done like a throwback to them. Now they're just in the case design, and I think these are super dope. They also come in a bunch of other colorways like the orange, the teal, and the red, but for me, the orange one was the clear winner. I actually have like the updated, I guess like the new version of the iMac that Apple released, but if we could bring back some retro tech and have some like transparent 90s tech in like 2024, 2025, I think that would be super cool. Once again, under 25 bucks, a great little accessory to get, and if someone is like an Apple fan, like an old school retro iPhone person, I think these cases tick the boxes. Next off, going over to accessories. So I've always been a fan of the Apple Watch, this obviously being the latest Series 10. What I actually really like is the fact that you can swap out the watch bands just to, once again, keep the accessory game up. So my favorite one, actually, this one is the stainless steel like Milanese band. This is actually just like an Apple knockoff. You can get these for under 25 bucks off of Amazon, but keeping in the orange theme, I've got these ones from Nomad. With that rail system, you can kind of just slide them in, and in 2 seconds, you have a completely new like design watch. Obviously, this being Series 10, it has that new shining or shimmering watch face, kind of moves around, and I think that orange combo, and I think that looks pretty slick. I've always been a fan of like the rubber bands because generally I wear them to like work out. They just wick sweat away the best. They're water resistant slash waterproof, and it's just a great way to accessorize for 25-ish or less dollars. So next item, like biggest lifesaver. So these are AirTags. You can get one for under 25 bucks. You can also get like packs of 4 for I think like 100 Canadian dollars, whatever. But if you're traveling, if you're someone that like loses your items all the time, AirTags have to be the way to go. So I have them on every one of my keys. So I've got them on my car keys. I've got this actually cool little orange Haribo keychain, separate video, but under $25, got it from the Haribo store. Separate story. AirTags are lifesavers. If you've seen like any of my travels this year, you know that I've just been delayed. Air Canada, my bane, my nemesis, like my luggage always gets lost. I have these in every one of my checked bags. I can see where my luggage is. I know that it's missing, and I can always just track them down. So if you're someone that likes to track things, keep an eye on your keys, keep an eye on your kids, your dog, whatever it is, just get AirTags. Great stocking stuffer, and I think this is actually one of like Apple's cheapest official items that isn't an accessory. Really cool piece of tech, and these last really long. I've actually had these since day one. You can see how scuffed they are. I just swap out the batteries from the dollar store every time they run low. They're great. So next little item, once again, something that I've used a bit more with traveling. I actually did this cool campaign with Dell just highlighting some of their accessories not too long ago. This one is the cheapest. So this is just the Dell compact mouse. It's the MS355. It's just simple. It's a plug and play. You can connect via Bluetooth, or they have this little dongle. It just takes a AA battery, which is always nice. You never need to worry about charging it because you can always swap out the battery. They're everywhere. Stick this in your bag, stick this wherever, or just use it as your mouse if you're like in a dorm room. 25 bucks or under. You can't beat, once again, this combo. So next item, once again, has made an appearance on the channel literally for close to a decade. This is a Manfrotto mini tripod, still a decade later, under $25 for creators. I think this is like the ultimate tool. I still use this a decade into the game. It's just a small little tripod stand that you can obviously mount different things to with a 1/4-inch connector. So for example, I've been bringing back like my vlog game. I've done some pretty cool stuff this year. This is just like an easy way to get the simplest shot. So I've got my 16-35 G Master on here, mounted to the A7CR. This becomes like the ultimate like vlog tool. If I like turn around this, you can actually see what's going on. I can typically just look at myself. This will be flipped over, and I will just hold the like little tripod like this. It's got this little fluid head that I can turn this around. I can vlog like this, move it around, and then when I want to put down the camera, those legs just kind of pop out. Camera goes down, I can readjust, and then I'll just have my own little makeshift like sit down, and then I can just talk to the camera. I can see myself in there. Great little creator tool, and like I said, anything with a 1/4-inch connector. So if you want a camera, a microphone, a light. I also sometimes mount my DJI Osmo Mobile on it. Would have been way cooler if this was looking at me, but it was not meant to be on this video. Next one, tech related. It's in like that kind of space. So I got suckered into collecting Pokemon cards. So I was just in Japan actually with Nissan. I saw like an OG pack of 151 cards. Got suckered in, like just could not stop. And since then, I have been just purchasing these single like illustration rare cards. I know the pull rates are atrocious. Nothing has changed since I've been a kid, and eBay has just been my spot to go to. These cards are like $5 to $10. eBay actually saw that I was collecting, reached out, and I've done some work with them to create some content, which I think is super cool. So if there's any other collectors out there, these are just great stocking stuffers, great gifts, like $5 to $10, like this cute little Charmander in a window, or this Snorlax. Like these cards are like $3-4 bucks each. To me, a no-brainer. Millennial kids now have money to spend on silly things, but silly things bring lots of happiness. So next item, you probably see these on the channel. Once again, another thing that Japan is known for, maybe why I have the biggest soft spot for it, is stationery. I love these little notebooks. I love like pens. I love jotting down like to-do lists. There is something so satisfying about stationery. I've had these, once again, across the channel, like this little Harry Potter book, platform 9 3/4. I think that's super cool. Literally, the first thing that I have written here is just get shit done. So clearly I use them whether or not they actually are useful. I just love little stationery books. I think they're, once again, great little gifts. You can add that onto like pens. They're under $25, but they kind of complete like desk setups and your own little workstation. So I think those are super cool. Next item, once again, to have like your tech space, I think it's important to stay hydrated. Swell water bottles. I've been using these for a while. I actually got this one from Audi. It is actually my New Year's resolution. I already know to drink more water. It's easy just to get caught up working. Stay hydrated. Water bottles, a great little stocking stuffer, under 25 bucks. Last but not least, I'm just gonna include this. I know it's not tech related, but I am a fan of golf, and I actually, on my last trip, I was just in India with MediaTek, shot my very first like hole-in-one. So I think having golf balls is really cool. Just give these to people that are into the game. I think they make great little stocking stuffers once again. And yeah, just a cool memory for me from that trip. Was shot actually with this ball. So to me, I'm gonna get this like mounted, plaqued, whatever you wanna call it. Shout outs to TaylorMade Canada, who always hooks me up. But that is tech gifts, or I guess just kind of gift guides in general for just your dude that wants to have something cheap. So let me know your fave down below. Make sure you're subbed to the channel. Make sure you're gonna check out the rest of my gift guide series, which comes out throughout the next couple weeks. Hope everyone is enjoying the holidays, and I will catch the rest of you in one of my next vids. Peace.